Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zillow affiliate program for real estate lead generation, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.zillow.com. Press enter to navigate to the Zillow homepage. Once the page is loaded, look for the sign in option in the upper right corner. Click on sign in to proceed. On the sign in page, you will see two fields. In the first field, enter your email address associated with your Zillow account. In the second field, input your password. If you do not have a Zillow account, click on Join Zillow to create a new account. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. Once logged in, navigate to the footer of the Zillow homepage. Look for the Affiliate Program link in the footer. Click on the Affiliate Program link to access the Affiliate Program page. If you are not already a member, follow the prompts to enroll in the affiliate program. Provide any required information, including your website URL and business details. Review the terms and conditions before agreeing to them. Once you have enrolled, log in using your established credentials. After logging in, you will see your affiliate dashboard. This dashboard will provide access to your tools and reporting features. Familiarize yourself with the resources available for lead generation. Utilize the marketing materials and links provided in your affiliate dashboard. These will help you effectively promote Zillow's services. Ensure that you comply with all program guidelines as you generate leads. Monitor your performance using the analytics provided in your dashboard. Regularly check for updates and new promotional materials from Zillow. This will keep your affiliate marketing efforts fresh and effective. With these steps, you're now ready to leverage the Zillow affiliate program for real estate lead generation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.